So this is how the hostel room at an IIT looks like. I mean, before you look at the details, if you're new here, my name is Tharun and I'm a 4th year student in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at IIT Kharagpur. And in this video, I'd be showing you how my room looks like, what things do I have around, and finally how I turn this into this while shooting the videos. And I'll also be breaking down my video lighting setup. So welcome to my room. Oh, I forgot to clean the room for the video. Let's go.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal.
But jokes and cinematic shots apart, and before I give you a complete room tour, if you'd ever visit my room on a random day, it would actually look like a dustbin. I mean it. And finally, if you don't trust me, just have a look at this. So on a random day, if you ever come to my room, this is how it would actually look like. I mean, it has been since forever that I've cleaned it. So let's just go inside and look at it. So I'm the hall president of this hall, IIT Kgp Hall Residence, and that's the reason why I have this board over here. And just look at this, heads 317 is my room. And coming inside, this is how it actually looks like. I mean, just look at this. This is my bed. And this is where I work usually, where I sit for like 10 to 12 hours each day and work. And just look at this. This is where I have a mirror. This mirror is provided by the hostel itself. And can you even look at my face in this mirror? You can't, but I still use it. This is where I have my clothes. I have, I even have clothes over here. That's a different thing, but just look at this. Here I have a bag. I don't know why I have it. And just look at this. Here I have some apples, coffee mug. I have this box over here. I have green screen. I have milk packets. So in a nutshell, if I have to just tell it, I live in a dustbin. I mean, just look at this bed's condition, man. Just look at this. I have clothes over here. I have protein shake, whey protein over here. I have this thing, ball over here. I have pickle. I have this. I have books. So you might be asking me, where do I sleep? So if you might have been in a hostel and if you're like me, the easiest trick to sleep on this is just move this that side and sleep. I mean, this is all the space that I actually need. So you got the point, right? But this has to change. And sometimes when I'm insanely bored or when I have to video call my parents, I try to set my room up. And then it would finally look something like this. Before we go inside this room, before we go inside my room, I'd have to say that I'm from IIT Kgp Hall of Residence, and we don't call these hostels, we call them halls of residences at IIT Kharagpur. And this is one of the rooms at Kgp Hall of Residence. And not all the rooms at IIT Kharagpur are same, but they're almost of the same condition. So today's 15th of January, and that's the reason I'm wearing this kurta. Today's Sankranti, as you all know. So this is how my room would look like. Let's just go inside it. I mean, most of the guys, you know, on YouTube, they just clean their room, like they just decorate it, make all these decorations before they do this room tour videos. But this is how it honestly looks. So this is how the bed looks like when I usually bed make. I mean, I usually don't because I'm like damn lazy. This is the place where I usually sit every day and edit the table and all. So we talk about things which I have on my table. So this is the planner which I usually use to make a note of like what to do and all. I mean, I use Notion, but you know, for quick reminders and everything, I just have to write in on this. And most of the guys like usually ask me about this iPad which I use. This is the iPad Air 4 which I got after my second year internships. I usually don't do much on this. I just write the scripts for the videos and all. This is the laptop which I usually edit my videos on which I usually code. This is a student laptop. You know, the specs I've mentioned in the description, just check it out. And we have a cooling pad under that. We have the keyboard, Zebronics ka keyboard, and we have this mouse, Cosmic Byte ka. And these are the AKG headphones, AKG K72 if you can see. This I just put on whenever I sit to edit because the sound quality is good. Comfort wise it's not so good, but yeah, this is all which I have on my table. People usually have this misconception in their mind that, you know, IITians ka room, they look like damn fancy and all, but they're not like this. Like, this is a room which looks below average, I guess, and for a student who just wants to, you know, live, this is more than enough. To make YouTube videos in this room, it doesn't look so much aesthetic. I mean, the lighting is so bad in this room, and just look at the tiles which we have over here. They don't look good, man, in a video at least. And if you might have been thinking how I shoot my videos in this room and how I achieve this kind of lighting setup, this is how I do it. This is where I sit. I turn on this ring light which acts like a key light. I turn on this pier which acts like a filler light, and then I throw light on the background. And that is how I go from this to this. I've provided all the links of the lights and devices that I use in the description below. So if you'd want, check it out. And the only reason why I made this video is because it acts like a memory for me, because next week I'm getting this room modified. I'm done living like a rat in the dustbin. I'm done shooting videos in this room. I mean, for a normal student, this room is good enough. I mean, it has everything that a student needs to have. But to make these videos more aesthetic, I guess, I just have to get this changed. And with that being said, this is a vlog which I made when I'm in this room. So if you'd like to watch, just click on it and watch. And I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead.